Hello everybody, Homelite 750. I replaced the carburetor intake rubber boot, so it's brand new. It looks like a pistol grip, but it's not. The bottom broke off. It will come with the power head. I'm selling the power head only. The blade and chainsaw will, or the blade and chain will be sold separate. So let's start this bad boy. Well, it runs pretty good. I did start it before the video, so that's why it started on one pole. Has great compression. I really don't think this saw was used very much. So good luck to you, and thanks.